Wait, if this is how we pound yam, the one that you eat, if this is how we are pounding it, will you be able to eat it?
I did not order yam.
You did not order pounded yam. The one that you ordered, so I bet mo gboro buruku lẹ́nu. Wá sí restaurants, wá order oúnjẹ bí ẹni tó gbọ́jọ́ kú.
Ó ti ṣe.
Ó ṣe kíni?
Ó ti jẹ.
Pan something, John.
And that was how Alaboku saved Sylvia's life again.
Senayo, thank you. Thank you.
Mama, now because of you.
I know. Thank you. How far now? You don't help me call doctor?
Oh, in the Ekiti. He talks when he comes back, he go call you.
Okay. When he comes back, tell him to call me. You should call me.
He go call you.
Okay, thank you. I know it's because of me you leave this one. Thank you.
So why is she calling you mama?
I'm a savior to her. I've saved her brother before, just the way I'm saving you now.
Okay.
Hey!
Brother. Kini, you want to fight? Should I leave you and her together?
Relax. Chill, okay? What? Not that deep.
Sylvia. Maybe you say you have Amara contact. Call her now. Let's go to Lala's.
Go to Lala's?
Yeah.
Shoot. I think I need some time to just touch up my makeup and stuff, because do you mind just have like body spray or perfume? Because my armpits like really.
Kini, umagbade beni.
Rafiki freaky.
Shine, Baba. Can I start this go Friday? I got that pretty.
Put body for matter, body. I won't see him now. Then carry machinery. Then blue film for a blast job. Do him now.
What you?
What will feel it?
Cook me.
Cook me.
We should have journey. I don't see daddy. I shut it. I got that pretty.
Inna Allahi wa alayhi wa raji'un.
Oh, get out! Get the fuck out of here!
Solani, calm down.
Why not take it as the universe way of correcting an injustice? Because how can a common whore stand against the rightful inheritance of a Makiwa?
I understand. Yes, it must really hurt to realize that no amount of inheritance could change the fact that your husband preferred a woman he could only call twice a month to your pitiful self. Hey! Get in here!
Solani.
Hey, wait, John!
Begin. Bemi. Mekole.
Oyemi. Uncle, did you see that? No, Uncle, did you see that? And you don't tell me. And you don't tell me, sir. Who is she?
It's okay. Mama, it's okay. Mama, Joko, Sila. Joko. Solani. Last Gidi is not for everybody. Ikuta wanu ile gan. Papa jùlọ ìyàwó bàbá ẹ̀ tó jáde ńsìn. She's wicked.
Who is she?
Oh, bro. O ní láti calm down dáadáa. Ẹni máa mọ̀ bó a ṣe bí ọ̀pọ̀ ni. That is it. Tí bá fún ẹ ní $700,000 láti fi gbàgbé gbogbo nǹkan tó wà lẹ́yìn nǹkan. Yes, I mean it. $700,000. with a lot of things don't go through. Nǹkan tó wù kó wà nínú box yẹn pátápátá, ìwọ fílẹ̀ fi mi, èmi á handle. Yá fọ̀rọ̀ Goodie sílẹ̀. That is it.
Uncle, thank you very much. Because I know that you're trying to help. Busheri, I would rather die. Uncle Ade, I would rather die than to let that black brazier think that she won. I'd rather die. Who is she? Kilo Day, leave me alone.
No, sister, chill. We're not gonna leave you alone. Come on. Open the door so that we can be with you and you can be alone together.
Sylvia. Bukola. Hey. What's the matter? Am I dreaming?
Olani. Kí ni wọ́n jẹ tó ga tó báyìí?
Wait. What's happening? How are all of you here at the same time?
Blame it on problems of Nigeria here. She kidnapped me because I am the light of your life. And, you know, so sorry. Sorry about your mom, your dad, and everything.
Huh. My mom's husband dies. My mom is killed. In this same house that was promised to keep us safe. Next moment, my uncle Ade is promising me $700,000. So I can hand him Baba Goodie's gold. But no. No amount of money can replace my mother. No. I'm okay ni kan ni o. Ṣé wèrè tó ń pèrè ní àbùlà yẹn. And that's Aridi, ìyẹn Marcel. Oh my God, sorry, burúkú papọ̀ ni.
No, my boyfriend did not do anything. No, he didn't do anything.
I don't understand. It won't know. Which one of them? Answer me.
Martel. He didn't do anything. He didn't.
You are dating that bastard.
Somehow.
What? You are dating that bastard? You are dating that bastard? Your wife never share it.
Amarachi is totally wrong.
Bukola, please. What do you mean by she's not wrong?
I don't know. Between God and man, say this place now your house. I think you dey related to whoever get this place. Now what can I come for now?
Iṣẹ́ cleaner mo wá wá bí.
You pé ẹ máa clean ilẹ̀.
Yeah. Ọjà náà.
Next thing I go kitchen. Before I go know, I dey hear noise and shout. One Goodie boy just remove gun and he shoot.
What? Golden Boy was here too?
Yes. Martel was here too. But he did not kill your mom. He actually came later. And it was because of the gold your mommy was putting on. He wanted to have the gold.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about mommy and all of that. But you see, this gold, the gold that you're talking about, I'm sorry about mommy. That gold you're talking about, is it like real gold? Like solid real gold? Not the type that when you put on your neck, it just starts turning.
Kí ló ń ṣe ọmọ yìí tó ṣe rọ́dọ̀rọ̀dọ̀? Kí ló ń ṣe? Ó ti ń jọkọ́ lé o.
Excuse me. This one I'm asking 5 or 6. Sylvia! Let me keep up before maybe she wake up. What do you want to bite her? Sylvia, no. Carry. Get him right here. Wait, carry. What are you doing now? What's the thing on me? Carry down. Alaboku, are you sure Sylvia will be fine?
Amara will keep us posted. And you just lost your mother. You need to relax and mourn.
But Bukola, if what you say about Abula is true, I think I should call Uncle Adeo.
Why?
Because it seems as if he's planning to do something about this Amala guy now.
See, since you landed this Lagos, it's been one game of catch up or the other. How did Abula and Co know about this gold? Did your father CC them in his will?
What exactly are you trying to say, Koyemi?
Use your kidney now. See, don't drop spoilers. Move in silence. Connect Abula yourself. And I will come in as backup. I couldn't help your mother, but I promised to help you. Ginger.
Please take it easy, please.
Sophia, babe, Sophia.
Yeah, Joe.
Hey. Bukola. Bukola.
Kí ni?
Ṣé bí ló ń gbé ni?
Rárá o. Mo ń sin adìyẹ ń bí báyìí ni. Ó rí broiler.
It's just an harmless question now.
Harmless kill.
Hi. Broiler here.
Sylvia, oh my goodness, I'm so happy to see you. Just tell me you feel better.
I'm dying. I've got just 1 month to live.
Oh no, stop, be serious. What do you mean you're dying?
I am serious. I'm still here.
Why didn't you say so earlier?
I don't know. I guess I was ashamed. Oh, afraid. Not to worry, I'm still here. I owe your uncle Adeshine 30 million naira. And the only man that has ever loved me, ever cared for me is dead.
It be like say no say kokoro tó ń jẹ̀fọ́ inú ẹ̀fọ́ ló wà.
Remy, you pushed your son to kill that innocent woman. Remy, you burú gan.
Oh, rọra má sọ. Má jẹ́ kí whiskey tó ń mu ikú pa ẹ́ lórí. You that you're sitting here, can you take an insult? Mo mọ̀ ẹ́ now, ò ní gbà. Golden Boy was answering to an insult against his mother. Ẹ ká máa yín ọmọ yẹn ni kì í ṣe ká tún máa insult.
Stop! Hey! Stop gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ for goodness sake. For a simple insult, small insult. Not your heroin, or what are you saying? Make una know they do like say. Una know they try to do like say una know one self. Adeshine is the reason for all of this.
This must be a big misunderstanding.
Oh yeah, mistress, off your mic. You know say the pastor mount pulpit, so you know go wait make I finish my sermon.
But they take it easy, Femi. Eh? Take it easy, could be bad now. Eh?
Kò tí ló wà láàrin wa tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀, òun ló ń disturb wa mọ́mọ́. Baba Goodie is no more. Baba Goodie ṣe sí mọ́ ẹ. Àǹfààní ló jẹ́ fún wa. Opportunity wà ńlẹ̀. Fún wa láti tètè move fast. Láti ro ọpọlọ wa ká mọ nǹkan tá fẹ́ ṣe. We have plans. I ní nǹkan tá fẹ́ ṣe, but gbogbo eléyìí tó ń ṣe yóò lè work. Attitude yóò lè work. Drama yóò lè work. Stop it.
So is that why you lied to me? For years, you made me believe his other family were dead and gone.
Because Goldie made me swear. Ó jẹ́ kí n búra fún mẹ́ni tí Goldie jẹ́ nígbà yìí ẹ̀. Kí ni mo fẹ́ ṣe? And that is by the way in this case. Listen. Remy, we're in problem. Seriously. A ní láti mọ bá ṣe máa bá lady sọ̀rọ̀, bó ṣe máa gbàgbé nípa Goldie, tàbí bó ṣe máa ta fún wa. If not, I might lose everything.
Why? What's the big deal about this girl? Dikilode, why can't we do what we need to do? Look, you're looking down on Golden Boy. You are overlooking my son.
You are overlooking the loopholes. You are overlooking the problems. Overlook ọ̀nà tá lè fi make owó pátápátá. What? Ọmọ ẹ ti try ẹ now. Ọmọ ẹ wo rí ṣe. Ó mú nǹkan tó ju ọmọ ẹ rí. And that is why tí mo fi ń try láti bá Murayo sọ̀rọ̀ àtọmọ ẹ. But where is Murayo? She's gone. Possibility wà kí wọ́n lè ṣe bọ́ọ̀sì. But kí ló ṣe? No! Drama ò jẹ́.
Calm down. I have been practicing. I know exactly what we need to get what we want. Look, gbogbo ogun tí Golden ṣe yẹn kò lè affect wa mọ́.
Oh.
Ade, look at me.
No, listen, Remy. I am not here for all this drama at all.